everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Triangle Mastercard online. If you'd like to activate your new Triangle Mastercard, then here are some few steps you can follow in order to do that. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you are new and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Let's get started with the video. Open up your preferred web browser and into the search box type in mastercard.triangle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page. Now, make sure to click on the credit card tab at the top left and click on activate your credit card from the pop-up. Now you can easily activate your card online. You have two options you can choose from. If you'd like to activate your MasterCard without logging into your account, make sure to check this first option. If you want to sign in first and then activate, choose this next option, and after making the selection, click continue. Now, on the next page, if you know your PIN, make sure to check this first option. If not, check the second one and click continue. In my case, since I know my PIN, let me just click this first option. After clicking the continue button, it'll take you to the card activation page. Here, enter your card number, which should be available at the back or front of your MasterCard, which is 16 digits long. Enter your card number in the first text box and make sure to type it in correct. On the next field, type in the 3-digit security code and click on the continue button. On the next page, you'll need to verify your identity. Provide the documents and details that is needed throughout the process, and finally, after following the prompts till the end, you'll be able to activate your Triangle Mastercard online. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.